Hmm. 5 more minutes. What? It's 8:30, Di. Where is my shirt?
This is a bad morning.
Are you awake?
Yes, I overslept.
It's okay, sweetie. Take a deep breath. Here is your shirt.
Thank you, Mom.
Take a banana.
Okay.
I hope I'm not too late. Oh no. I need coffee.
1 coffee, please. It's been a long morning. Oh no. Enough now. I made it.
Finally.
Would you breathe now? Mornings can be hard. But I'm okay. I didn't give up. Bad mornings happen, but they don't last. Tomorrow is new. Have you had a bad morning? Share your story. Practice English every day. You are doing great. Strong. Keep going. See you next time. Bye. Subscribe the channel, please.